Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. When you come across a rare sign on the road, many drivers get confused, even very experienced ones. It is impossible to remember all the functions of all the signs. Or is it possible? Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. Are you obliged to let an oncoming car pass when going around a broken down car? A. You must. B. You don't have to. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. So, let's look carefully at the picture. We see a sign on it called 10% steep descent/ascent. From the rules, we remember that the one who is going down must yield to the one who is going up according to this sign. But does this rule work in this situation? Let's reason together. We have 3 facts. A parked car with an emergency triangle is an obstacle in your lane. In order to go around it, you have to change to the oncoming lane. Anyone who leaves their lane always gives way to those who are driving in their own. Therefore, the oncoming car has the right of way. The 10% sign, steep descent/ascent, in the picture does not matter. The rule that on an ascent you give way to the one going up only applies when passing is difficult on a narrow section, but both cars remain in their lanes. Here you have an obstacle to go around, and the oncoming car has priority. Thus, when going around an obstacle, you drive into the oncoming lane, which means you must give way to all oncoming cars that are moving in their lane without changing direction. How to act correctly? Slow down, turn on the left indicator in advance. Let oncoming cars pass, and those driving on the left, if any. Go around only when there is sufficient visibility, with a safe interval. Return to your lane, turning on the right indicator. Bottom line, until the oncoming car passes and there is a safe distance/visibility, you cannot start going around. So, admit it. Who have you answered correctly quickly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.